Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Envato element for free. It's true, Envato Elements is a paid platform that offers a wide range of digital assets to its subscribers for a fee. However, Envato Elements offers a 14-day free trial, which makes that 14-day a free for you, and during which users can access all of the platform's features and assets for free. You can sign up for the trial and by creating an account and providing your payment detail. Just to make sure to cancel your subscription before the trial period ends if you don't wish to be charged. And that's it. That's how to get Envato elements for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.